So today I'm actually going to show you what the canna virus looks like, because I've noticed in a lot of vlogs people talk about it, obviously with the stunt growth and things like that, but I'm actually going to show you, because I went to a garden centre last week I think it was, and they had canna virus within their canna lilies, and I did actually let them know that they'd got the canna virus. Went in deaf ears I think, but anyway, I raised it. So yeah, without further ado, I'll just roll this very quick video of what it actually looks like, so if you ever to buy one from a garden centre or whatever, then you know not to buy these. So without further ado, let's get into it. Don't be tempted to actually buy these, because as you can see, these are reduced, just £10 per plant, but as you can see, they're just really underdeveloped. And with the underdevelopment of the leaf, that's the biggest giveaway that a canna has got the canna virus. So even in a pot that size, this plant should be sort of 3 times bigger. There we have it. So like I say, really quickly, but I hope this is useful to you guys, because obviously if you do get the canna virus within your collection, then it can wipe them out completely. So like I say, I hope you find it useful. So until next time guys, I'll see you in the garden.